What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel to automatically format cells based on another cell's value. This feature is useful for quickly highlighting key information in your data sets, like identifying overdue payments in a list of invoices. Let's dive right into setting up a conditional formatting rule that changes the format of an account number based on the number of days an invoice has been outstanding. First, ensure you have your data organized with invoices. You might have columns of account number, amount due, invoice date, and days outstanding. Let's say the account numbers are in column A and the days outstanding are in column D. Here's how you can create a conditional formatting rule. Start by opening up your Excel workbook and navigate to the worksheet containing your data. Click on the account number in column A where you want to start your formatting. Now, go to the Home tab and in the Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting. Then choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here, you'll enter a formula and specify the formatting settings. In the formula box, type the rule that applies the formatting. For example, if you want to highlight accounts that are more than 60 days overdue, you would use a formula like equals $D2 greater than 60. Remember to adjust the cell reference to match the row of the account number you selected, and make sure to lock the row reference by removing the $ before the row number, so the formula adapts to each row. With that done, click on the Format button and select the formatting style you want to apply, like bold text and the red color for past due accounts. Click OK to confirm the formatting. After setting the rule, you need to apply it to the correct range. Go back to Conditional Formatting. Select Manage Rules and in the Applies To field, adjust the range to include all account numbers in column A. Click Apply to see the conditional formatting in action across the selected range in your worksheet. With these steps, account numbers that meet your specified condition, in this case being overdue by more than 60 days, will automatically format based on the rules you set, making it much easier to spot which accounts need attention. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.